If you are new to futures trading, and setting up positions or trading orders is sometimes difficult or challenging. In the next 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to be demonstrating how to place trades or trade orders using Bitunix Pro. But before I continue, let's look at my Telegram community. On my Telegram channel, this is where I drop latest updates, and also I drop signals, that is trading signals, which my community can use it to trade, and I do all that for zero cost. I don't need to create a VIP signal group or VIP signal channel so that people can subscribe to it before I share them my signals which I use to trade. As long as you are in my community, you will be getting all the signals which I usually use to trade. As of the time I'm making this video, my community is currently using Bitunix Pro for trading. So if you're interested in trading in my community, or if you're interested in getting signals from my community, you can also get a Bitunix trading account from the description section or comment section of this video, where I'm going to be dropping my promo code and also the details which you can use to get an account for yourself. So here I am in the Bitunix Exchange app. That is a Bitunix Pro. You can see it right here, the name Bitunix Pro. So, and like I said earlier, I'm going to be explaining how to place trade on futures trading on Bitunix. So to do that, you can see the icon where they write futures there. I'll come over there, and you can see, if you come to the futures on Bitunix there, you will see coins that you want to trade with. So you can check any of the coin that you want to trade with. Let's say you click on the BTC icon there, and you can see list of coins which you can select and you can trade on the futures section there. So let's say I select BTC USDT for trading, and after that I will come to this section here to select my preferred liquidity on this space here. So I'll click on it, and it's going to take me to this place where you can see I can adjust my leverage. So I can select any leverage for the long position here, and I will select it based on my preferred risk management. So I usually use 20, or I can even choose 6, or let's say 5 or 4, any amount, but based on the risk management. And I can select this here. So if I say I select this 10 now on my own and I confirm, you can see I've selected the X. So I'll come to this margin mode here, and I'll select either the cross or isolated. As for me, I prefer using the isolated for trading, and for the multi-trade I prefer using this. So I confirm it, and after that I can come to this space to select either the market order, which if I choose this one, I will buy or sell quickly at the best price available. So the limit order I will buy or sell at the specific or better price, like the price, that is the price which I have selected or imputed for it to buy. So that is when this one will buy. So if you go down, you can see trigger order, and different of them, they are all there. You can see trigger order, you can see trailing stop, you can see post only, and scale order, then fixed rate. So in this tutorial I'm going to be using the limit order, so you can understand how that really works. So I'll just click on the limit order, and now it's set. So normally in the traditional way in order exchange, you will come here and impute where you want to buy or sell from and all that, and then after then you enter the amount which you want to buy, which you want to long or you want to short, sorry. So, but as for me, I'm not going to be using this method. I'm going to be showing you something more easier to do in Bitunix, which Bitunix currently offers. So it's just like how you are trading your MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. So all you need to do is to come to this icon here, this bar, this candlestick bar here. You come here, and it's going to take you to the chart. So if you notice, this is the BTC USDT chart, and here you can see my past orders which I've longed, I've sell, and all that is already showing here. You can see here I can switch it to 1 hour time frame, I can switch it to 15-minute time frame, I can even switch it to 1 day time frame, and then also 4 hours. So if I click on this more, I can see different time frames which I can set it into there. So let's say I'm using this 4-hour time frame here, and I set the view. So let's say I want to enter trade now, and let's say this section I want to enter trade when the market reach somewhere here. Let's say I want to enter the trade, or I want to set a limit order when the market enter somewhere here. You understand? So if I will press and hold the chart. If I press and hold the chart, you see this cross is going to show. So I'll pull it to where I want to enter the trade from, and after then this plus button there, I'll click on the plus button, and it's going to take me to this place where you can see the option for limit order, trigger, and market. So I'm going to, like I said earlier, I'm using the limit order. That's why it's choose here. So I'll enter the amount which I want to use to enter the trade. Let's say if I want to use 20% of my total amount in my trading account, I will set 20%. If I want to enter 40%, I can set it. If I want to enter 100% of my account, I can set it. So let's say I'm setting 20% of my trading capital. So I'll just set it like this, 20% of my trading capital, and I want to short this market if the price reaches there. So I'll just use I'll click on this open short market here. So if I click on the open short market, it's going to take me to this place where I can confirm, and you can see automatically the short position has just been entered on that zone. You can see this zone here. I've just set the position there on that zone. So what this means is that if this price move and hit this point, I am going to be in the market. The limit order is going to be triggered, and I'm going to be in the market. Also, I want to show you another cool part of it is that instead of you going to impute the exact amount of let's say you want to impute the exact amount of TP or SL that you want to use, instead of you to enter it manually, you can just click on this TP or SL here. If you want your TP to be active above this section, this top here, and you just drag it to that place and see, boom, you can see the amount, that position that you drag it to. This is the level, that is the price level there. So I'll just click on confirm, and you can see the estimated ROI will be minus 8.45%, which is about a loss of minus 5.96. You can see all that here. You can see the estimate percent there. So I'll click on confirm, and you can see the SL has already been set. That SL means stop loss. It has already been set, and if I want to still shift it, I can edit it to any level that I want. You understand? So that's just how easy it is, and that is also for, or it is the same for take profit. So that is TP. So if I want to do for TP, here the road TP there, I'll click on the TP and I'll drag it to this place I want to take my profit and all that. So if you see, if I drag it to this level where I want to take TP, or I drag it to this section where I want to take my profit and I leave it, it's going to open the order, and you can see the TP market, the TP price section, it has imputed it, and you can see profit amount is about 29.956 here, and you can see the percentage is about 42.16. So I can just confirm it, and you can see how easy it is. Now within some seconds I've just set my limit order. There is no need for me to input numbers in the SL section or TP section. So that's it. And if I come to the main futures trading section, you can see the order has already been set here. You can see how an order has been set. So that's just how it is to trade on futures on Bitunix. So after you must have made your analysis and you want to enter trades, you can follow these methods to enter trade without entering multiple numbers and all that. So this is what I have to share on today's video with you, and I hope you learned a new stuff from this video. So if you're interested in content like this and you want to be getting updates like this, make sure you check my past videos, or you can also join my community so that you don't miss out on interesting updates. And also don't forget to tell me what you think, or tell me your thoughts in the comment section about this simple tutorial that I've just shared with you. And if you think this video have helped you to solve a problem, or you have learned a new stuff from this video, please make sure you leave a thumbs up and then share with friends so that they can also learn how to trade on futures also. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Please stay safe, stay blessed, and stay tuned. Peace.